Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Credit Agricole. Review my usage experience. Credit Agricole Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing your banking activities with Credit Agricole. It's primarily targeted at Credit Agricole customers who want a convenient way to access their account information, track transactions, and potentially manage certain aspects of their accounts online. Key features likely include account statements, transaction history viewing, and potentially budgeting tools. Their website provides details on accessing the service. The service positions itself as a convenient and secure way to manage your finances online. Ease of use seems to be a priority based on my experience, more on that in a moment. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly advertised as a main selling point for a service like this. Access is tied to your Credit Agricole account. Availability is restricted to Credit Agricole customers, and access is obtained through their online banking portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Credit Agricole. Review my usage experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging into my Credit Agricole online banking account, finding the review section was intuitive. The interface itself is clean and relatively easy to navigate. I particularly like the ability to download my statements as PDFs. That was a huge time saver compared to waiting for paper copies. I also used the transaction search feature to find a specific payment I made a few months ago. It located it quickly and easily. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly and the data displayed instantly. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their online help section provided a clear explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download statements directly. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. However, the website is responsive and works well on my phone's browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Credit Agricole review service. It's a significant improvement over manually managing my accounts and provides a much more efficient and organized way to keep track of my finances. That's my overview of Credit Agricole. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.